Let's evaluate this interesting fraction. The numerator has even numbers from 10 to 98, each squared plus itself. The denominator has odd numbers from 11 to 99, each squared plus itself. First, notice that each term n squared plus n can be factored as n times n plus 1. So we can rewrite the numerator and denominator. Now look at the pattern. In the numerator we have pairs starting with 10 times 11, 12 times 13, and so on up to 98 times 99. In the denominator we have 11 times 12, 13 times 14, up to 99 times 100. Notice that most terms cancel out. The 11 in the numerator cancels with the 11 in the denominator. The 12 cancels. The 13 cancels. And so on up to 99. After cancellation, only the first term of the numerator and the last term of the denominator remain. So the value of the entire expression is 1/10.